So let's have a look at this question here. So it says, how can we represent this as a written calculation? So when we are sharing, we use this sign, the division sign, okay? Now we need to think about, actually, because we're doing division, the biggest number always comes first, so it's looking at the total amount, and we are sharing that total. So we've first of all got to count up, in this example, cookies. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got 8, and we've shared them into 2 plates, or onto 2 plates. So 8 shared into 2, and on each plate we've shared them equally, and there are 4. On this one, if we counted up all the cookies, we'd have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. We'd have 20 cookies. That is the total that we are sharing. There are 5 plates, and again, when we've shared them onto 5 plates, our answer is 4. Dora has 6 plates. She shares 18 cookies equally onto the plates. Which division calculation matches the problem below? Now, remember, with division, our biggest number goes first because it's the total amount. Okay, it's the total that we are sharing. So we have 18 cookies and we are putting them onto 6 plates. So our first number is always going to be the biggest, which is 18. So it's not this one, because we tried to share 6 cookies between 18 people. If we tried to share that, we would get lots of a very difficult number. So the answer is this one. When we are dividing bigger numbers, we don't just have to share them by ones and go, right, you get 1, you get 1, you get 1, you get 1. If we have 60, we can use tens. Share them by 3, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We've got 3 groups. 60 divided by 3 is 20. 60 divided by 5 does it work? It didn't work at first because we have 10 left over and we can't put another 10 somewhere. But what happens if we change that 10 and swapped it for a 1? So now we've got 10 ones. Let's share those equally. 60 divided by 5 is 12. So you can try and share the tens with the bigger numbers, and then if you've got some tens left over, can you split those into ones and then share those ones out equally? So another step could be for this sharing would be share tens or share twos, share fives if you can. Once you can't do that anymore, just share one at a time and see if that works. Have a go at the rest of the questions on the worksheet now, please.